Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhamad Afiq Zulkifle from 2 TMT2. Today I would like to show you my future railway station and my model. First of all, I would like to show you about the ticket counter. Okay, the ticket counter have two different type. First, walk in to buy the ticket, and the second one through the online counter. So the place will not be crowded by people, and to avoid bad thing happens such as pickpocket and thief. Besides that, it is to avoid the child goes missing in public. There are also the hotel, where it's categorized into two, namely the upper class and the lower class room. Okay, the upper room is for the upper class people who hold the ticket, while the lower room is the lower class holder. The railway station also feature the police station. The police are there to check on those crime violate against the station or any other criminal cases being associated with the station. Okay, in my station there is also a pharmacy. The pharmacy is to supply medication to patients in need of a better health, so that the pharmacy will make some of the passenger that drop from the station easier to buy medicine or some of their needs. After that, my station have a grocery store that 24 hours opening. Grocery store specialize in selling of food, both fresh and pre-packaged, as well as non-food household goods such as paper towel, toilet paper, cleaning products, and over-the-counter medicine. In conclusion, the railway station has played a great impact in supporting the activities of the train. The presence of different offices built up the station. That's all from me. Thank you.